Welcome guys to Moroccan and Berber cooking channel, and in this video we're gonna speak about the beef tagine with 7 vegetables and Moroccan spices. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Let's start with the ingredients that we would need for this recipe. Absolutely, you would need a beef. So I suggest you have 1 kilogram beef for this tagine, which is made for 4 people. But you can use a half kilogram for 2 people or even less. 2 onions, 1 tomato, 200 gram green beans, 2 carrots, 1 zucchini, 200 gram peas, and 4 potatoes. Then we would need the following spices for the seasoning. 1 coffee spoon of cardamom, then another spoon of ginger and black pepper. We would need saffron. We'd need another coffee spoon of salt, it depends on the taste. 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander and parsley, and 3 garlics. We start by marinating the beef. So we put the cardamom first, then ginger and black pepper. Then we try to mash the saffron. Then it comes salt, coriander and parsley. We try to do like 3/4, and we leave some for the decoration at the end. The garlic. Garlic, you can smash it with the knife, cut it, chop it, or grate it. Then a little bit of water. We mix all the spices to make the marinade. Then we bring the beef. So try to marinate the beef that they will soak up the flavors of the spices we have mixed already. We cover it at the end and we leave it at least 30 minutes. If you got time, try to do that an overnight before.
As long as the beef remains in the marinade, it will taste better.
Next, we place the tagine on the top of a metal plate above a low fire stove.
You can always cook it on a charcoal if you have a barbecue or open fire.
Pour a little bit of olive oil into the tagine and leave it to warm up a little bit. Then bring your beef and start placing it in the bottom of the tagine. Try to put it evenly to cover the bottom of the tagine. Chop those 2 onions into small slices, small squares. Put them on the top of the beef that it's already on a frying in the tagine. After 10 minutes frying on that side, start flipping your beef. Grate your tomato and put it on the top. So let's start putting the vegetables on the top of the meat. We will start with the green beans. Always keep in mind when you're doing a tagine, try to design a pyramid. So we put green beans first, then carrots. Start placing your zucchini in between carrots and green beans. Start placing your peas around the tagine. And this is a potato turn. So place your chopped potato around the tagine and always keep the design of the pyramid. Then we put the lid on. The cooking process time will take 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. It depends on the beef quality. I put a tablespoon in between the lid and the base in order to avoid the sauce leaking while the cooking.
Take that tablespoon and try to take that boiling sauce and just put it above the vegetables, especially for the potato.
After 1 hour and a half on a low gas stove fire, our tagine is ready.
We will pour a little bit of olive oil on the top of everything at the end.
And we will break that coriander and parsley that we kept to design our tagine. Our tagine is ready. I hope you enjoy it, guys.
To be honest, from the flavors and the smells, I can't wait to just start eating it.
Feel free to ask questions on the comment tabs in order to help you to make the same tagine at home.